Hello everyone. So this is Code Challenge and this is the first website we will do together. Actually, I didn't make this website to teach you how to make a design or style or CSS or something like this, but at the same time, actually we will learn about these things. But let me tell you what is the main reason I did this job. Let's see at first what is the project I'm talking about. Here it is. So as you see, this is just like a Pokémon or Pokédex website in which you can see all the Pokémons and learn about them and everything. This is a little bit animation, but I don't know if it's annoying to you or not. However, we will learn together how to make all of this. But the thing is, and the main thing that I want to teach you here is actually API. How to build a website based on an API. And of course, we will learn everything in details. Let me first tell you how the website work. So actually, when you click here, this is the watch. This is a carousel, a nice one, I guess. And as you see, you can see the Pokemons, all of them. And of course, we will add a lot more, and I will show you how now. And here you can look for a Pokemon, but the question is, where will it appear? So let's, for example, look for this one, Charmander. Well, we have a mistake here, I guess. Charmander. So here it is. This is the Charmander. I guess you know it, of course. The ID of the Charmander from the Pokédex API, and the weight, the height, the type, which is fire. So this is actually, and let's search for another one, Bulbasaur. Let's see, where is Bulbasaur? Well, here it is. Actually, it's ID number 1, and its weight, its height, and its type, which is grass and bison. And of course, I can put a lot more descriptions and attributes, and to give you more details about it. But just like this is something to clarify what I'm doing here. The API enables me to get all of this information about each Pokemon, and this section appear whenever I search for a new one. And when I click on the search, it directs me to this section directly. So let's see together what we will learn in this tutorial. And actually, I'm very detailed. So I will give you all the details that you need to build something like this. And believe me, this will be in a short time, and at the same time, it will be clear enough and in details enough. So the first thing we will learn in this tutorial is actually about what is the API and how you can use it. And this is a very important question, and if you reach it this level, I think my tutorial will help you a lot to understand the API from A to Z. The second thing we will learn is actually how to fetch an API. Fetch is a function, and actually it is a promise. And maybe you heard this, maybe you didn't, but a promise is also something in programming, or a kind of function that we will learn about, just like after we learn what is the meaning of fetching. After that, what is fetching and how to generate results faster? I mean, when you fetch an API, of course, this will make some results and you will use it. So I know you don't understand what is the meaning of this, but once you understand what is the meaning of an API, you will understand how to fetch an API. And actually, after that, we will learn about the map function, because we will use it, and the for each and the difference between them, when to use this one and when to use this one, and why suddenly you will find that for each is not doing the same function as map. And we will learn about the promise all, and after that we will learn how to present all of these results on the HTML, which is the DOM. And the last thing we will learn about is actually the design, how to make the design for our website. So let's see. If now I'm gonna just increase the number of Pokemons that I will just fetch from the API. Here is the URL that we will fetch, and I know that it's not clear enough for you what is the meaning of all what I'm doing, but believe me, once we start the search, and once we start the explanation, you will understand everything. So here it is. I increased the number of Pokemons I'm fetching from the API. At first it do like this, but suddenly you will find it is correctly appearing. So here it is, a new set of Pokemons, you know, just like more of them. So if I try it now to open the console to show you here that I canceled what I'm doing, and you'll find that I have 40 Pokemon starting from the 0 to 39. Let's search for this one, Vulpix. Let's see what is the meaning of this one. Do you know Vulpix? I guess you don't. Let's see. This is Vulpix. So that's the Vulpix. Well, it's a little bit heavy, you know, 6 meters height and type fire. So let's see in the next video the first thing that we will talk about, which is API, and we will see what is a Pokédex API that we have got all this information from. By the way, I didn't code any picture in this website. All the pictures actually in this carousel are coming from the, as you see, this is the body. So it's not so big after all. Not so big. I mean, this is the footer that you see, and this is the previous and next, and if you looked at the figure you will find no pictures. All of them are coming inside the carousel from the JavaScript API fetching. So this is it, and in the next video we will see what is the API and how to fetch it. Thanks a lot.